I can take U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, what is the other common term I can take, boys? Which is the other common term which I can take the denominator? So apart from 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, I am taking the denominator, all the denominator term 1 by 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is what? Okay, fine. Now it is only Q1, Q2. You put the signs also. So 1 by 4 epsilon naught is nothing but 9 into 10 to the power of 9, correct? 9 into 10 to the power of 9 divided by, look at the denominator, 10 to the power of minus 1 was minus 1. Now Q1, Q2 is, what is Q1? What is Q1? Yeah. Q. No, I'll ask someone.
Ma'am, we don't substitute the values of Q1, Q2.
You have to substitute. What is the value of Q1? Can someone answer?
Q.
Ma'am, it was the final answer?
No. I'll substitute for Q. I'll give you the value of Q also. Okay, what is the value? What is being given Q1 as? Question. What
Q.
is Q1? Q. What is Q2? Q2 is minus 4Q. Is that correct, boys? Okay. Yes. What is Q2? It is minus 4Q. What is Q3? So, Paul, what is the value of Q3?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, this 2Q is 2 into Q, right? Like 2 into the electric.
The charge, the value
Twice
of
into
Q,
the
I'll
charge,
get
right?
twice.
It's twice the charge. Ma'am, so if we get like 2Q by 2, ma'am, we can cancel out the 2's?
Yes, you can cancel it off. Fine. Q by Q by Q3. Sorry, Q1, Q3. What is the value of Q1? It is Q. What is the value of Q3? It is 2Q. The value of Q, I'll give you value of Q 1.6 10 to the power. Just cool. What is the value of Q? Yeah, it's given in the question. The value of Q is 1.6.
Ma'am, is the final answer 9 into 10 raised to 11 into minus Q square?
No, but step was 9 into. So the value of Q, you substitute the value of Q also. Can you see the value
Is this
of Q? It's given was, I think, so you are not able to check that. Fine, I will give you the value. Q is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb.
Ma'am, so this is only for this question, right? The value of Q?
Yeah, for this, correct. Sorry. So the value of Q is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 10 coulomb. Will you be able to find what is the value of U? Rishit. Derek, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Derek, should I move forward with the steps or will you be able to calculate from here? Derek,
Yes,
should
ma'am.
should I do all the steps, or you people will be able to calculate from here?
Ma'am, we can calculate.
Ma'am, what's the final answer?
Okay, I want the answer from you people. Okay, I'll just
I'm getting
wait, one second,
23.04.
wait, one second. Wait, I'll just highlight the value so that this is okay. By 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is 9.
Ma'am, the SI unit is joules.
Just say just Joule.
Okay, ma'am.
I get that from someone. Okay, so you calculate. Let me see what's the answer. Danish, Danish. What's the value, boys?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yeah. Who is that?
Minus 2.304 into 10 raised to minus 8.
Okay. 1 second. Minus
304 into
0 and
10.
10 to the power.
Ma'am,
10
is
to
it
the power.
2.304? 23.04.
Just I want the answer. 2.30. Someone told me the answer in terms of
Ma'am, minus
2.30 10 to the power.
2.304 into 10
Okay.
to the raise minus 8.
Minus 8. Okay. Fine.
Was it correct?
I think what I'm writing is not clear over here. I'll write the answer over here. Someone got the answer. Was it present? 2.3 10 to the power of
Yes, ma'am,
minus
it's
8
correct.
joules. Anyone else? Kritika, Vishesh, Yusuf, did anyone else? Jatin?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, still doing.
Okay, calculate. Dheeraj, Fadil,
Yes, ma'am.
Dheeraj and Fadil. Vishek, Samuel. If you people don't so answer, then I'll have to take your name out of the class. Shall I do that? 12B. 12B. Samuel. Sam, Surya, answer.
Ma'am, I'm the last step.
Voice of anyone who has completed, just tell your answer. Let me know your answer.
So the work will be the negative of that, right?
Yes, work will be negative of this, so positive 2.3 10 to the power of minus 8 joules.
Ma'am, joules or joules per meter square?
No, joule. Energy is in terms of work and energy.
Ma'am, what was the value of Q you gave again? It was 1.6 into.
Okay. 1.6 10 to the power of minus minus 10 coulomb was, did I give it as minus 10? The value of Q, 1 second.
Ma'am, was it given in the question?
Power of minus 10 coulomb. The value of Q is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 10 coulomb.
Okay, yeah, thank you, ma'am.
But we'll get Q squared, so we have to multiply. Squared
Ma'am,
will
is
be
Q given in the
1.6.
question?
It should be given. I have not typed that.
Ma'am,
Okay,
if
just
it's
check.
not given, then should we just leave it like that, or we have
Q
to?
squared. No, you have to leave it as Q squared.
Ma'am, so therefore
Ma'am,
the
so we'll
work
leave it at
needed
minus Q
is
square.
2.3, right? 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 8.
Minus 8, correct. 2 10 to the power of minus 8. Shall we move for the next one? Or you need time to complete this? The answer is 2 potential energy is minus 2.3 10 to the power of minus 8 joule. But the work done to dissociate the system will be negative of this. Fine. I'll just go for the next slide, then we'll understand. What was your answer? This one expression? U is equal to, you got this as 9 into 10 to the power of 9, 10 to the power of 1, that's what you got. Then, what is the first Q squared? What is the first term? Was it, tell me what is the first term? Okay, minus 4Q squared. Next term, minus Q squared plus 2Q squared. So what is that? Okay, minus 10 squared. So this is 9 into 10 to the power of 11 into minus 10Q squared. Okay, 10Q squared. So I can take this as
Ma'am,
9 into 10 to the power of 12, correct? There is a negative sign into Q squared. Your value of Q is 9, this is 9 into 10 to the power of 12. Value of Q is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 10, the whole square, correct? Right. So this becomes 9 into 10 to the power of 12. 1.6 the whole square is 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 20. So I made a mistake. Find this. Just check, is it 10? Once again, check.
Ma'am, in the first step.
Correct. So then this happens to be 954, 4, 5, 45, 49, 4, 18, 22. Correct. For me, I'm getting into 10 to the power of minus 10, I'm getting. Is that correct? What I'm doing? 2.56, right, boss?
304, 2.304.
What
No,
happened?
2.3. It's 2.3.
It's
2.304.
No, boys, I've taken 9. 1 second, I'll go to the previous. 10 only, correct? This becomes 10, it becomes 1 second. What is the problem here?
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am, the answer is
23.04 into 10 raised to
Wait,
minus 8.
boys.
And then it becomes 22.3.
Yeah, correct.
Ma'am,
10
the
is there.
10
Okay, fine,
minus
boss.
1.
10 is there. Yeah, fine. I have left the 10. So shall I put the 10 over here? Let me put the 10.
It'll be 9 into 10 raised to 8.
Correct.
I said 9
on
to 10
10.
raised to 10.
So that will be 2294 to the power of minus 10. Or can write.
Ma'am, your multiplication is wrong.
Wait, 1 second. This becomes minus 2.94 10 to the power of minus 9, correct? Or I can write 2.294. Correct. What I'm doing. If I'm putting one place this side, what should I get here? 10 to the power of
-8.
-8.
Ma'am,
This is the value of u. This is the value of u. And what is w? It is minus u. Have a negative sign, boys. Negative, negative, negative. Okay? So work done will be negative.
Minus would be that.
ma'am,
Which one?
2.56 into 9 is 2.
It's not minus, it's minus 10 into q square. The value of this minus 10 into q square. If the value of q would have been minus 1.6, then it's okay. You could have made it as positive. This will be plus 2.29 10 to the power of minus 8 joule. This is what is required to break the system.
But then I got 2.3. That's fine, right?
That's not a problem, boys. Only the power should not be, there should not be any error in the values here and there. That's the problem. The values will not create a problem. The problem is
Ma'am,
yes,
now why the work is positive?
because you want to bring all charges together. The amount, sorry, if you want to bring all the charges together, then the work you do in bringing all the charges together is minus 2.29 10 to the power of minus 8 joule. If you want to break, then it will be you supply equivalent to this, but in the opposite way, right? So that's the thing. You're bringing
Okay.
all the charges together. Once you are bringing all the charges together and forming a triangular configuration. So you are doing a work, and the work you have done is negative, which means if you want to break, you have to supply an equal amount of energy, but it will be in the opposite direction. Negative. One is work done by the system, the other one will be work done on the system. That's it. Shall we go for the next numerical, boys? Shall I go for the next one? Shall I go for the next one,
Yes,
boys?
ma'am.
12. Yes. Can someone put this value? Now look at the next question. It's about electric potential. So far we did electric potential energy. Now we'll go for electric potential. The general formula is V is equal to KQ divided by R. Now look at the question. Two charges, right? I'll put point A and point B. Point B, you have a charge Q1. Q1 is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. And Q2, you have another charge Q2, which is 3 into 10 to the minus 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Now both are placed 16 centimeter apart. The distance between them is 16 centimeter. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0. Right? Let me consider a point P on the line AB where the electric potential due to charge Q1 and due to the charge Q2 is 0. Is that clear?
Ma'am, I have a doubt on dipole.
Yes.
Ma'am, dipole is supposed to be from negative to positive, right? Always.
Answer. Yes. What is that?
Ma'am, I have a doubt on the dipole.
This is, so boys, this electric potential is a scalar quantity. It is not a vector quantity. So work done, right? Is that clear, boys? Clear. So now what do you have? What is the total potential at P? Total electric potential at P. Total electric potential at P. It has potential due to charge Q1. It has potential due to charge Q2. So what is that? What is A? VA is the potential at point P due to the charge Q1. Is that clear, boy? Because both charges are producing an electric field. The potential at point P due to the charge Q1 is VA. Similarly, the potential at point P due to the charge Q2 is VB. Is that clear? But at point P,
Yes.
you have two electric potential. One due to the charge Q1, the other due to the charge Q2. This is VA, right? The one which is going to produce, the one which is going to produce by Q1 at point P is VA. You have VA over here plus VB. Now that must be equal to 0. Look at this. Means at what distance you have to place, at what distance the point P should be along AB so that the total potential is 0. Let the point P be at a distance of x meter from point A. So what will be this distance? What will be the distance? Minus x.
Ma'am, 16 to 10 raised to minus 2 minus x.
Is that clear, boys? Should I read this, boys? Should I read 12b? 12.
Yes, ma'am.
I read everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Once I'll redo this. Now the question is, boys, you have two charts. Take Q1 and Q2, right? Placed at points say A and B. Now these two points are placed at a distance of 16 centimeter, right? Now the question is at what point, let the point be equal to P. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential due to both the charges is 0? Is that clear? So which means I'm considering a point P. Let this point P be at a distance of x meters from point A. Naturally, it will be at a distance of 16 x from point B. So now the question is, the electric potential at point P should be equal to 0. Is that clear? So what is the electric potential at point P? One due to charge Q1, the other one will be due to charge Q2. So I can write electric potential at point P.
Electric potential point P equals to 0.
Q2 due to Q1 and Q2, both the charges. Is that VA plus VB? Now that must be equal to 0 because that is what is given. Electric potential should be equal to 0. That is a condition given. So now I have to find what is VA, what is VB. What is the general formula? Look at the general formula KQ. What is VA? K into Q1 divided by what is the distance between A and P? Okay, first copy down this, then we'll go for the next. Yes, copy down this, boys, then we'll go for the next step. Boys, simplest numerical, you people are struggling.
Ma'am, do we do the answer?
You can, others can calculate, but for the others, I'll do the step. Boys, let me go for.
Ma'am, you can take any of the
First,
charges as Q1 and Q2, right?
Yes, correct. So I'll go for VA. What is that? VA plus VB must be equal to 0. Now, what is VA? It is K Q1 divided by AP plus VB is K Q2, sorry, Q2 divided by PB. So this whole should be equal to 0, right? Okay, now K is common. K is common. Now K into what is Q? This is Q1 by AP plus Q2 by PB. Fine. Now K, boys, I'll take K to the other side. Okay, let me take K to the other side. What will happen? Q1 AP plus Q by PB is equal to 0. Right? Will you be able to find what is AP, boys? What is AP? AP is X.
Yes, ma'am.
1 by X plus I'm taking K to the other side, it becomes 0 plus Q2 by 16 minus 6. Okay. This must be equal to 0. And you can take Q1, Q2 both on the other side of the equality. Q1 by X is equal to Q2 by 16 minus 6. Whichever way you want to perform, get me the value of X. Shall I give the value of X? X is 10 centimeter. Will you be able to check this? Just check. Let it be your homework, boys. Just check this.
Ma'am, but didn't we take X in meters?
Yeah, even if you take it in meters, boys, even if you take it in meter, it gets cancelled off. You can take it in meters. You can take X in meters, it gets cancelled. Just I want you to find the value of X. The answer
Ma'am,
for
is
X
the
is
value 10?
correct. So tomorrow, one more numerical on
Ma'am, so
electric potential.
10 meters from Q1,
10 centimeter. 10
10
centimeter
centimeter
from.
from Q1.
Okay, correct. So what we'll do is tomorrow one more numerical will finish, then we'll go for another important topic of electric potential energy. Again, there we'll do one more numerical and then we'll go for equipotential surface. Fine, boys. Others, those who have completed can leave. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 So, or else what we'll do is that tomorrow I'll go for morning hours means I'll go for theory. Second last period means I have to go for numerical. We'll see, boys. You can leave. You can leave.